礼拜我们说的宇宙形成的时候，他们会这样一直转，然后那边会有很多的尘埃。太快了！可是因为那个凸起来温太小了，有凸跟没凸几乎都一样啊，太小了，所以可以说它是圆的，虽然说它是椭圆。像以前的时候，那些人不知道头脑是怎么样，他们就认为地球。
还上一页。
像埃及，他们那个壁画，那个上面那个没穿衣服的女人，他们就认为那个是天，然后下面那个不知道在干嘛的人，他认为是地。印度的传说是认为呢，下面有个大乌龟，大乌龟上面站着4个大象，然后大象上面顶着地，然后地在顶着天，也认为它是平的。可是地球是圆的啊。然后500年前他们还是认为地球是平的，然后认为只要航行到一个阶段，然后等到那个海不见了，变断崖了之后，人就会掉下去。可是其实不是这样。然后哥伦布他们也证实了，确实地球是一个圆。现在的话，因为人工卫星照片有图有真相，你就算不想相信，你也是只能承认地球是圆的。2400多年前，那些希腊那些哲学家就已经有想到地球是圆的，而中国人他们也是想到地球是圆。亚里士多德只是先证实的那一个，然后麦哲人他是直接用做的，他不是用那些说的，他直接做的，他直接绕地球一圈来证明地球是圆的。好，现在来看一个小短片。
你到那边去，我要去往右移，这样子上。
Hey there, welcome to Life. Right now, you're probably watching this video from somewhere on Earth. That big, round, beautiful planet you humans call home. But how do you know the Earth is round? Your senses would tell you that it's flat. After all, if you stand in a large field, it actually looks pretty flat. And if you walk through that field, it doesn't feel like you're going over a curve. Could it be that the Earth is actually flat? Well, let's try an experiment. Say you're standing in a field outside of Chicago. If the Earth is flat, you should be able to see southwest and see some of the tallest points in the United States, the Rocky Mountains. But the thing is, you can't. That's because of the curvature of the Earth. You'll notice a similar problem if you stand on a seashore and try to watch a boat sail away. After a while, it will disappear from view. And not only that, but the bottom of the boat will vanish before the top as it goes over what's called the horizon line, the place where the sky meets the earth. For someone who is 6 feet tall, the horizon line is only 3 miles away. But the higher up you are, the farther you can see over the earth's curve. This is why standing on a tall mountain might allow you to see over 100 miles, while standing in the field will only let you see a short distance. It also means that taller people can see slightly farther than shorter people. Good thing my animator can make me any height. See? I'm like that one ant dude. The thing is, none of this is new information. We've known about the planet's curvature for over 2,000 years. The ancient Greeks figured out that the Earth is round based on several pieces of evidence, including their observations of ships going over the horizon line. The scientist Aristotle, writing in 350 BCE, noted that during an eclipse, the Earth makes a round shadow on the moon. He also realized that stars appear in different places depending on where you're standing. For example, he saw stars in Egypt that weren't visible farther north. Roughly 100 years later, humans got their first measurements of the Earth's curve from another Greek mathematician, Eratosthenes. He had heard of a city in southern Egypt, where at noon on the summer solstice, the sun was directly overhead, and the buildings cast no shadows. But at the same time, in the northern city of Alexandria, the buildings did cast shadows, meaning the sun was at a different angle in the sky. On the day of the solstice, Eratosthenes stuck a stick in the ground in Alexandria and measured the angle of its shadow. Using the distance between the two cities, he was able to calculate the curvature of the Earth. You could actually perform the same experiment if you have a friend living a few miles away. Or if your friend is several hours west, you can get more proof that the Earth is round by calling them at sunset and asking how the sky looks. It will still be daylight there because of the Earth's curve. And there's one more piece of clear evidence for the planet's shape. Pictures taken from space. Maybe you're not on Earth after all, and are actually watching this video from the space station, in which case, please leave a comment because that's so cool. If that's true, you'll have a bird's eye view of this giant blue and green globe. What a beautiful place to live. So what other myths about the Earth do you want me to explore? Let me know in the comments section.
我们的报告到此结束，谢谢大家。